The value of time. In a peaceful village with green fields and tall mountains, there lived a young boy named Dilshad. The village was beautiful, with fresh flowers in the air and birds singing every morning. Dilshad loved his home and enjoyed exploring nature. He was a smart and curious boy who dreamed of becoming a great scholar who could learn new things and help his village. But Dilshad had one big problem. He didn't value his time. Instead of studying, Dilshad spent hours playing by the river, splashing in the water and chasing butterflies. He liked lying on the soft grass, watching clouds float by, and imagining them as animals or magical shapes. His mother, a kind woman with gentle eyes, often watched him from the porch of their small house. She loved Dilshad very much and wanted him to do well. Every evening she would call him and say softly, "Dil, every moment is precious." Dilshad would laugh and say, "I have plenty of time, Mom. I'll study later." Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Dilshad kept playing and putting off his studies, thinking he had all the time in the world. One day, exciting news spread through the village. The villagers announced a big competition, and the winner would get a scholarship to the best school in the kingdom, a place where future leaders and scholars were made. It was a rare chance for children in the village to study in a great school. Dilshad's heart filled with excitement. He imagined himself learning from wise teachers, reading books in huge libraries, and making his mother proud. He ran home to tell her, and she smiled and said, "This is your chance, my dear. But remember, success comes to those who use their time wisely." "I will start studying tomorrow," Dilshad promised. But the next day, his friends invited him to play, and he couldn't say no. "I'll start tomorrow," he thought. And so, every day, he found an excuse to delay his studies. The books on his desk gathered dust, and the competition day came closer and closer. Soon, there was only 1 week left. Dilshad finally realized his mistake. He locked himself in his room and tried to learn everything in just a few days. He read until his eyes hurt, wrote notes until his hands ached, and practiced his speech until he lost his voice. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't understand everything he had ignored for so long. The day of the competition arrived. Dilshad stood on stage, his hands shaking and his heart beating fast. The hall was full of villagers, judges, and respected elders. When his turn came, he stepped forward, but his mind went blank. He stumbled through his speech, forgetting words and making mistakes. During the quiz, his answers were wrong or incomplete. The audience watched quietly as Dilshad, who had once been so hopeful, struggled to perform. Dilshad lost the competition. Tears filled his eyes as he walked home, feeling very sad and disappointed. He worried his mother would be upset, but when he reached home, she opened her arms and hugged him tightly. "My dear Dilshad," she whispered, wiping his tears, "this failure is not the end. It is a lesson. Time is a gift from Allah. If you waste it, you cannot get it back. But if you respect time, it will bring you success." Her words touched Dilshad's heart. He knew she was right and promised to change. From that day on, he made a schedule and followed it every day. He balanced his playtime with his studies, woke up early, and prayed for strength and focus. A year later, the same competition was announced again. But this time, Dilshad was ready. He stood on stage with confidence, gave his speech without fear, and answered every question correctly. The judges were amazed by his improvement, and when they announced the winner, Dilshad's name echoed through the hall. He held the golden trophy, his heart full of happiness, and looked for his mother in the crowd. She stood there, smiling proudly with tears in her eyes. "You were right, Mom," Dilshad said, smiling. "Time is precious, and I will never waste it again." She nodded, her face glowing with pride. "Alhamdulillah, my dear. Now you know the true value of time." Moral: time is a special gift from Allah. Use it wisely, because once it is gone, it never comes back. But if you respect time and use it well, it will lead you to success and happiness.